Okay, so we're back. We're sorry for the delay. I'm doing this video all over again because that previous light took so long, so that's why. Anyway, this will be another video of the Cardside Road construction project. This video is going to be pretty short, and we're at another traffic light. I'm going to pause the video while we wait. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's going on with the other bridge. They're still working on that bridge. Yep, they are still working on it. Get that bridge done. As you can see, yep. There might be some alligators over there.
Maybe.
We made it. Now we're videotape the big bridge.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Yeah, I'm gonna videotape the giant bridge, okay? And the bridge is like 365 feet long. Or 65 feet long, right? That's how many inches is the bridge? 365 feet long. Or 75 feet long. Here's the bridge right here. It's really big. We're gonna go over this bridge. See the top. You can see the water down there. Right across the sky, there's no birds, so I'm gonna end this video once we get off this bridge. I'm gonna end it once we get off this bridge, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.